Oh, hey. Hi. It's cool that you're back. I'm having a day off. Do you want to come with me and see what I'm doing in Milan as a stylist on my day off? Keep on watching. I just woke up. Buongiorno. Hey guys. Today I want to take you around with me. It's finally yellow zone where I live, and so that means that we are free to move between cities and we can just actually go out from our homes. I'm going to take you around Milan and show you what is a day off like as a stylist. Alright, so first of all, I know I promised like 26 videos, but I realized that people cannot keep up watching them. Like, I would go crazy if I had like 26 videos and no one watched it. So I just decided to do 3 each week that is like a bit more edited and better done. It is 9:30 right now and I'm about to meet with Palma because we are gonna take a shooting. Many stores are open and you know, you don't have to grab that document that you've seen in my other video. If you didn't know or didn't watch my previous videos where I mentioned her, she is a Hungarian girl and she lives here in Milan as well, and she makes content. So we just found each other like 3 years ago, and it was love for the first sight. And so apart from having like this long collaboration of helping each other, we also became friends. I'm still like, I feel just so disorganized, guys. I will leave in half an hour and I'm still like having my stuff all around, and I took such a long time to do my makeup, and I'm living in this jacket, so I'm gonna shoot this one as well today. Yay. Okay, so I finally arrived. I was just speaking to you guys in Hungarian, sorry. So we finally met after 1.5 months.
Hi guys! Hi!
And this is our first scene.
You said you want me to leave you. I know it's not true, 'cause you want me to. You said try to stop loving you.
After 1.5 months, we are at the bar. Ciao!
You said you want me to leave you. I know it's not true.
És nagyon-nagyon képeket készítettünk, ezeket hamarosan láthatjátok majd nálam.
Look at this bag. I just got it. It's so nice. And the jacket is new as well. I just have it together because we had the shooting and I didn't want to bring 6 million bags. Also because I have already enough stuff with me. The shooting is over. It was really good. You will see the pictures on my Instagram. And now I'm in front of Centrale station. I'm heading to a store to buy some stuff. And then I will just have a look at the Centrale because why not? Finally I'm out. And then I will go back home probably. Okay, I went there. I didn't film because I didn't think that it would be so interesting. I didn't even eat lunch and I think it's like 1 o'clock now, 1:30. But I'm not even hungry. I'm just so excited. I'm like literally walking. It's so weird. Today is crazy warm. Look at the sun. It's been rainy for so long and so unusual. Honestly, it's a shitty situation. Like, not about me and the stores and that I wanted to shop something. It's more about how many stores are closed. Like, look, like forever. You know, like you're not even. Oh, I'm just so sad for that. You know, for them, as I'm always saying it. three thoughts because I'm feeling so down, guys. Like, not just small businesses, but basically all businesses were impacted in this whole thing during lockdown here, and I didn't expect a lot more. Like, we were locked down in 2020 for at least like 6 months, like lockdown, and so that couldn't mean anything good. It's horrible, and I'm really scared because now we are in semi-lockdown and it depends from week to week, but I'm not sure if in January or February it's not gonna be turned again to red. That means that you're locked in your house again. It's really heartbreaking. That being said, I'm not feeling any more to go around because it's just really too sad. Maki! Jaj, Szia! De hiányoztál. I'm gonna stay home, I think, today. But I'm really thinking about going to have another photo shoot because I still have one outfit left. It is, you can see it here, that I just wanted to shoot today, but I knew that it was gonna be like way too long. So I will maybe do that. I don't know. Look at these houses I got from Sabina. It's like a DIY thingy, and I made them yesterday. So cute. Today I'm gonna keep it extremely simple. I'm gonna make cordon bleu with some salad. Honestly, I don't really like cooking, but when it comes to cooking, I only prepare something special when there is Luca eating with me. So now I'm going to prepare the simplest food possible, and then we will see whether I want to go for continue shooting for the next 3 weeks, because that means that 3 next weeks are done for when it comes to Instagram, or if I should just stay home and edit videos and stuff. Szeretlek nagyon. Us moments with Maki. Like, he's my furry kid. He's almost 14. That's insane. But he's doing good. And I just know that for him it's really, really strange now that I left home for the first time, almost. Because we've been together for such a long time in lockdown, and you know, you just get used to it. So whenever I leave for like an hour or 2 hours, or in this case like 3 hours, he's just feeling so sad, and I'm so sorry about that. Alright, so it's almost 4 o'clock right now, and I just got together myself because I really wanted to catch this last sunlight. Maybe it's also like a kind of golden hour, and the next days are gonna be rainy or cloudy, so I just really am hyped on this whole thing. So I'm gonna go there. I digested my food, drank my coffee, and we're ready to go. This is where I should just sit down and calm the hell down, but no, I want to shoot. No, I don't want to stop. Welcome to my life. Since it is really my area, I don't think that it would take so long. So yeah. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. This is me trying to take pictures alone. Okay, I'm back home. My phone just died in the middle of the shooting, but I got some really cool pictures, guys. Like, I think I catch the last sunlight, that warm golden hour sunlight. Mio amore arrives soon back from work, so I will spend time with him as well, and I think I will just put in order the house because I left everything like around this morning. Mati, ti piace? Cosa?
Pacchi, amore.
Ma ti chiede i pacchi? No. Time literally flies when you have fun and you do what you love. So, yeah, someone said once, do what you love in your life as a job so you will never have to work. It's exactly what I feel, guys. We're out. See ya, Mati! And then I still have like so many things to do. Also edit a video and push it out on my YouTube today. I'm not sure, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Maybe this one is gonna be the one? I don't know. Facciamo delle polpette, lo mangio domani. Cioè l'insalata è quasi quasi niente. Okay guys, so this is me editing this exactly same video that you are watching. So this is where I will end recording, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Remember, it is Vlogmas, so I upload more often with more casual stories. Thank you, ciao.